Meaning of deduction.
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 Deduction. Deduction is the process of drawing a conclusion or making an inference based on available information and logical reasoning. It involves identifying patterns, connections, and inconsistencies in a set of data or evidence, and using this information to arrive at a probable explanation or solution. Deduction can be used in various fields, such as science, mathematics, and law, where it is used to identify cause-and-effect relationships, solve problems, and make informed decisions. The ultimate result of successful deduction is a reasonable and justified conclusion that is supported by evidence and logical reasoning.